Coventry. Got that one there and the door there. Right guys, so I'm about to do a board up. This is for a youth hostel in Coventry. I can't start yet because, as usual, the police are here. So the police take their forensics and their statements and their pictures, and then once they're done, they say, go on sexy side, get to work and earn a few quid. And that's how it normally works. So what I'll do now, while I'm waiting for these guys, I'll start cutting the boards, and then as soon as the police say okay, go away, I get it done, and I get the glass hoovered up, write up the work for all the statement and whatnot for the insurance people, and then I go home and get into bed, and then hopefully no one else calls tonight because I've had a result, or worst case I'll be back out again early hours in the morning. And it's just started pissing down, which is always the way. I love doing this in the summer, not in the winter. All right guys, cheers. Right guys, so the rain stopped and now we're going to get the boards cut.